Very gang. I'm so gonna regret eating this, but we have some chili dogs with some flamin' puffs and a lot of cheese. Like a lot. I don't even know where to start. Wow. That looks amazing actually. No sour cream because I'm not really a fan of sour cream. And I was not about to buy a whole thingy of sour cream just to put 3 drops on here. I'm sweating. So we have shredded Kobe Jack cheese and nacho cheese. Know I need some spice in my life, so we have the hot chili peppers, and then I have a little bit of salsa from my mom's that I might just drizzle a little bit. Cause yeah, I need that heat, baby. I need that heat. I did have a serrano. An habanero I was gonna bite into, but como que estaba más aguado y arrugado que mis nalgas, so I was like, anyway. Let me go for it. Para no meterme los dedos. The bread is the brioche bread for hot dogs. I also forgot the onion. Oh. We have a kombucha packet. What the hell is this? These brioche breads are like slit in the middle. I wish Adrian liked this. Just made himself some what was it? Biscuit pizza? Homemade pizzas? You just made yourself some biscuit homemade pizzas?
Yeah.
They're really good. They're gonna want the recipe, puppy. He saw it on TikTok. And he's like, se me antojaron esas pizzas. Can we go to the store and get the stuff? And I'm like, knowing you, you're not gonna like them. But, and if you don't, you're still gonna eat all the crap that you made me buy. And sure enough, They were really good. Oh, fucking dumbass.
Yeah.
Me mordí. I keep biting myself again on the same spot. Okay. Yeah, me mordí like 5 times already. Maybe that's a sign.
I saw the sign.
And it opened up my eyes.
I saw the sign.
That's a sign I need to stop eating. Did you just fart?
No.
That's so disgusting. Excuse-moi. I don't know how people eat more than 2 of these chili dogs. But no way. Hope you guys enjoyed. Noodles.